What if you had a system that tells you when to exactly buy and when to sell? We all know that trading is already difficult. Whether you're a swing trader, day trader, or scalper, the market conditions that we're trading in these days are different from what they were 4 to 5 years ago. And sometimes with your strategy, you have to make an adjustment. But what if there was a system that could tell you exactly when to buy and when to sell, whether you're a swing trader, day trader, or scalper? All right, I'd like to interrupt this video, guys, to let you know about Hero FX. This is a broker, and they have a new account type called the Hero 10X account. It is 10 times better than any prop firm out there. Here's the reason why. Because what they do, you can instantly 10x your trading account. So if you put $100 into this broker, they're going to give you $1,000 of real trading capital. If you put $500 into this trading broker, they're going to give you $5,000 in trading capital. If you put $100,000 into this broker, they're going to give you $1 million in trading capital. Okay, you get this instantly. You can withdraw 24/7. My withdrawal came within minutes. I have a video on my YouTube that'll show you that I was able to make a withdrawal from this broker instantly. Another thing is that you keep 100% of the profits. And the only rule that they have is that they have a static drawdown, which is 10% of the account. Okay. Now, again, there's no rules. You trade your way. There's no limits. There's no limits on news trading, weekend trading, lot sizes. You trade however you want to trade with no restrictions. Okay. This is a no-brainer because when you have more capital, that means you can trade with bigger lot sizes, and that means more and bigger profits. Okay. So again, if you want access to this broker, the link will be in the description below. In addition to that, when you sign up with this broker and deposit at least $100 into Hero FX, you'll be able to join the Consistent Trader Club, and you'll have access to the new CCORB indicator. All right. So make sure you join today. I'll see you guys inside the group. Let me show you what I'm talking about. We have USDJPY. Now we have beautiful market structure here on USDJPY, right? This side, we were making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, right? Then we had a market shift. The market started to shift and continue to go higher. So once we had that market shift, NFP came out, created a high, broke these previous highs here. That gave us an indication that price is ready to go higher. So now we had a pullback, okay, where we had a break of structure, and now we can see price continue to rise here on USDJPY. Now let's go ahead and turn on the indicator, right? The indicator is called Vinnie's Trading Cheat Code, and here with the cheat code, it tells you exactly when to buy and when to sell. So we see that price was above the 47 moving average. I like to use the moving average because it gives me a directional bias. It lets me know which direction I need to be trading in order for me to follow the flow of the market or go with the flow of the market, right? Because all you want to do, guys, if you really want to be successful, is position yourself in front of where the market is already going. So if the market is bullish, you want to position yourself or find an opportunity to get in front of that bullish trend. So here we see on the cheat code, price pulled back on USDJPY, right? Came right back to this previous support area. This resistance turned support, I'm sorry. So if I turn off the indicator, you see, so with previous resistance here, price came down, broke through, came back to retest this area that turned support. Now you can see that price is starting to push higher, and it's going to attack this high and break this high. Okay. So this is market structure, right? This is why this is so key. Even if we take our fib tool, right? We go from this low to this high. Okay. You can see that price is exactly within this golden zone here. So it all lines up, all confluences, right? Lines up with this golden zone. That's where I put the stop loss, and now we can see price moving higher. But now with the cheat code, when you have a system, it's going to tell you exactly when to get in, because all I did was set an alert for a confirmation buy, right? That lets me know when to get into the market, because that lets me know that price is ready to go in that direction. So here on the alert, you can see I had a long for USDJPY, came out at 10 a.m. Right now it's 10:57. I'm actually in this trade. I'm in profit. Okay. And now we're just going to sit back, relax, and wait till price gets to our TP. Okay. That is the power of having a system. Okay. Again, that is the power of having a system. Knowing when to get in, knowing when to get out of the trade is very key to become a consistently profitable trader. You have to plan your trades out, right? You can't just hop into the market at any time, because it doesn't always work out that way. So you have to plan your trades out, knowing where the market is going, and then positioning yourself in front of that. Same here with USD-CAD. The dollar is going to gain strength for the rest of the month. Here in July, we have a break of the 47 moving average. Price should push higher before we get a pullback, and then a continuation higher on USD-CAD. Same thing with USD-CHF, right? You can see this beautiful, beautiful structure, right? Price was bearish, right? We had a break above, price came back down and retest. Now we're going to move higher here on USD-CHF. We take a look at the dollar index, right? This side of the market, we were bearish. Now price is starting to show market structure that it wants to switch that and become bullish, right? Price is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Now we can see price push higher here on the dollar. So that is our expectation. And the reason why we use a system, guys, is because it's not to just rely on indicators, but to give you added confluence or added confidence in the direction in which you should be trading. This is why we use a system. It helps you to be accountable and to know exactly where you're going. So that's very key. If you want access to this, guys, click the link at the bottom of this video. Also, join our free Telegram group. I put in trades inside our free Telegram group. And if you want more insight, you can join the Consistent Trader Club. It's a club full of traders who use a scalping method called our CCORB. And let's go ahead and show you the CCORB. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame real quick. Here on the CCORB, this was NFP yesterday. It gave us a perfect breakout trade, right? So this was enough for you to get a nice quick scalp and to make money, okay? With the CCORB, you make money every day in the market, right? All we're doing is following the trend, waiting for a price to break out, and then we take that position. Very, very simple, easy to understand. Here, we're waiting for a breakout to the downside. Price is what we call in the middle of space right now, so we're not doing anything with NASDAQ. Plus, it's a holiday, so the market's not going to be acting correctly anyway. But I'm just showing you of how we use a system to make things easier for yourself. But again, if you want access to this, make sure you join the link in the description below, and I'll see you guys on the inside. All right, guys, let's check out what the members have to say regarding Vinnie's trading cheat code system. Okay, this is the most recent results. KP says, I officially doubled my account. All trades were ORB trades. I lost the gold trade because of the news yesterday. I didn't realize there was news, right? So just one example of what the members are saying about the cheat code. All right, let's go to a different one. Future Millionaire, he says he's on a boat Let's see his results. Trading gold using the CCORB. Okay. This gold trade he took. Buy signal. Price shot up. Let's go to the next result. Members results using the CCORB. These are all winning trades using the new CCORB. All right, here's a review. So I love Vinnie's trading. I love Vinnie's trading cheat code. I've been trading unsuccessful on and off for 10 years. Now that I have this system, I'm fully confident in my trades. I just passed 150K futures challenge in 2 days. Can't wait to finally start making a living doing this. Vinnie has made this so simple. Truly a godsend. Go to the next one. He said he just got funded with Take Profit Trader. I said I wasn't going to do a prop firm no more, but this one seems legit. Another 150K cheat code to the moon. Another results. He took $4 to $281. Okay, $4 using the cheat code. You see the results right here, guys. All right, another one. It says, Vinnie, your cheat code is the real deal. This is like cheating. It really is, guys. I was $4,000 negative on my 100K prop firm account, trading on my own. But I decided to go back to the cheat code indicator, and the bread and butter strategy took me out of the hole. Now I'm in the green. I have full confidence in the system. Now I feel bold to increase my lot size with confidence. Today I made $1,780, all before the sun came up. As Vinnie always says, once you have patience and you follow the rules, guys, you'll be more profitable with this life-changing system. To get the full big picture, I do top down from the daily or weekly to get the complete or overall market structure, get the signal on the 1 hour, and enter on the 5 minute. Okay, pure genius. Let's go over some more. All right, just showing us the results from using the cheat code system. Again, more results using the cheat code system. I mean, you guys can go to this free Telegram group, type in member results here in the search, and you can go back and look at all the results from over these past couple years, guys. From 2003, right? What did Derek say? He says, I love this strategy. It teaches you patience and how to be consistent with rules. This is my second week using, and I'm up 15K in the month of August across all my accounts. And the cool part is I've taken a tenth of the trades I used to take in this amount of time. Swing is lit. Okay. So that's the power of using Vinnie's trading cheat code. Guys, if you don't have a system, make sure you go get this system ASAP. I'll see you guys in the next video.